What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Bakersfield or Tejon, close to Bakersfield, whatever. But yeah, got a Nike outlet. Let's go check it out. All right, last time we did come here, I did see a bunch of retros here. I think they were like 20% off or something back then. All right, let's go. See if they got any dope things. All right, their heat wall is back. But the heat wall, I don't even know if it's a good thing because you usually don't get the extra discount. They don't give you that 30% off. But this is their heat wall. It is their heat wall. First time I've ever seen these anywhere. These are the pennies. These are the penny 2s. But this is the social status colorway. That's interesting. You see the social status sign right there. Also, it comes with a little keychain, I guess. That's pretty dope. Materials, okay. It's all right. Usually social status stuff usually has like the best material ever. It's okay. It's all right. 2 bills, I believe. 2 bills, yep. Size 8. Okay. You got some Jordan 1 low OGs. These are size 13 right here. Some AJKOs. Air Max 1 premiums. Damn, they're not even giving discounts on these Air Max 95s, really? Yeah. 6s, 1s, Vapor Max. Man, dude. Some playoff 12s. Haven't seen these in a good minute. 210 size 9. All right, we are checking out the clearance section. Do get 30% off all this stuff right here. That heat wall, I'm telling you, man, it sounds dope, and it is dope. Like, if you can't find anything or if nothing's available at the outlets, but when, you know, things are readily available, 30% off, like, they try not to give you that discount, man. Kind of unfortunate. All right, let's look around here. These are Cosmic Unity 2s. Haven't seen these too often. $1.60 for these. Of course, we're starting off in the size 10, my size. Do got the Kyrie Low 5s. Go for retail $1.10. Not liking the prices, man. Not the greatest start. Size 10 Prestos go for $90. Got a ton of these here. Infinity Refined 2s go for $130. Moved on to the size 10.5. Do got the LeBron 19 lows go for $130. On Orange go for $40. Air Force 1 lows. And does this like have the premium material on it? No, not really. It's just the regular leather. Go for $130 now, man. Just not a great start. Air Max Auras go for $115. This is pretty dope. This is fire, dude. To be able to get this for a discount, $130. You do get that 30 off. So under $100 for the Union Cortez. The Union sign right there. Okay, these aren't bad. I do have this colorway at home. I did find mine. I found mine at the clearance store, actually. I got it for way cheaper. But still at a discount, not too bad. I think this is the best thing I've seen so far. We'll still look around, see if we got anything else. Got the Luka Jordan 36s. Okay. It's pretty dope that these are available at a discount. That's pretty fire. Colorways definitely stands out for sure. 2 bills for those, size 11. Got another one of these. Oh, got 2 of them here. Okay. Got tons of these. I have a feeling these just came out of the aisles. Vaporfly Next Percents go for $250. Damn, we haven't seen those for $250 in a while. Moving up to the 12s. Wild Horse 7s go for $100. More of these Prestos. Metcon 7s go for $140. To the 13s, just not many discounts here, you guys. Not many discounts. Nike Challenger OGs go for $50. Got the PGs go for $110. Dude, got the LeBrons right there as well. Those are still $170. I've been seeing LeBrons on sale everywhere. Seriously, you have to go to size 15 to find them on sale for $120. Wow. 14's not really much. Waffle Trainer 2s go for $80. Got plenty of Monarchs for $40. Dude, got some Air Sheesh size 14. Obviously, these were returned. Look, they still got the return. Man, they still leaving addresses up. Man, that's checked up, dude. That's checked up. Airshesh meant for dancing, I believe. Size 14s. Go for retail, $110. Zoom Freaks. Oh, man. God dang it. What the hell? Zoom Freaks. Go for $135. The Vaporfly Next Percent. These are the ones that fell. These are the Vaporfly Next Percent 2s. And they're down to 90. Like, stuff just don't make sense here, dude. We're checking out the small section, size 9s. I've never seen this colorway of the Infinity Run React Flyknit. These are the 3s. Dang, $130 for those. More of these, plenty of these Prestos. Kill Shot 2 leathers go for $40. That's definitely the cheapest I've seen those. They always use really nice leather on that. Probably synthetic leather, but it is really soft. Asuna slides. $80 for Asuna? Really? Dang. Dang, they must have gotten a shipment of these, size 9. Maybe these were in the aisles. Maybe that's what it was. Wow. 8.5 Air Max 95s go for $140. Ton of them in size 8. 8.5. Got the Zion ones go for $65. Force ones. Some suede ones right here go for $1.25. Prestos go for $100. Infinity Run React Flyknits go for $130. Size 8. And then even another one, so yeah, they're probably in the aisles, just got out the aisles. I haven't been here in forever. All right, we are checking out the aisles. Do got the Jetman Team 1 lows. Okay. Lift off right here, Max Auras, Series 0.03s. We've seen these for hella cheap, and where the color on this one's just, don't make sense to me. Delta 3 lows. Do got some LeBron 9s right here. LeBron 19s. Like, didn't we just see a couple of these for way more in the clearance section? Witness 5s. Another one of those. Soldiers. Flytrap 4s. Another one of those. Immortalities. There's Giannis's budget line right here. KD's budget line right here. The KD Trade 5.9s. Can't believe they're on their 9th generation of these already. Holy crap. Kill Shot 2 leathers. Another one of those. Got some Benassi JDI slides. Doesn't really say JDI, so I don't know. JDI usually means just do it. I don't see it just do a logo. Maybe because the old Nike logo on it. Order Max 200. These are the PSG ones. I just saw these for the first time at the last outlet I went to. Immortalities. More KD Trade 5.9. More LeBron lows. Westbrook Take 1s. Take 3s going for way more. Like, that doesn't even make sense. I think this one has been here for a while. It usually depends on how long they've been at the outlets, not necessarily how old the shoe is. Comfort Low 11s. Fitness 5s. Air Force 1 mids right here. These are Quick Strike with that nice leather on it. Another one of those. Regular Air Force 1 high right here. Crater 1 Impacts. Air Max 2090s. The Blazer lows. These are with the ones with the jumbo Nike sign wraps around the whole thing. Metcon 6s, Air Max 2090s, Air Max 2017s, Air Max Terra Escape Plus, another one of those. Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. I'm still tripping at seeing these on sale, man. These have always been so hard to find on sale because they usually sell out hella quick. Air Max 270s, another one of those. The last colorway right here. Then the Terra Kigers, we're seeing them on sale. That's pretty dope. If you like trail running, hiking, these are the ones. The Wild Horse right here, these are like usually a step under, isn't it? And this a slightly cheaper one. So got the Pegasus Trails right here as well. More trail running shoes or hiking, whatever works for you guys. Pegasus 37s, even cheaper. Wow. And the black and white one, you really can't go wrong with these. Full length React and Zoom, can't go wrong with that, man. Damn, hella cheap. Do got these right here. These are the Phantom React Flyknit 2s. Go for cheap. Got the first generation ones right here. And then you like those with laces. Infinity Run Flyknits right here. And they do have a second heat wall. I don't know how I missed this. But like I said, it's cool that they have these here, but they're not really discounted. 11 low IEs right here. I like this colorway. Got the pennies, the bone colorway. So bigger size 13 right here. Got some dunks right here. And then the PSG 5s. Like, it'd be great if they were on sale, but regular price? Nah, chilling. Even got a heat section for the women and kids right here. Great school dunks to be able to get them for retail. Pretty fire. I prefer when we get them for on sale though. But yeah, I do got an 8.5 women's right here. Man, I'm telling you, the leather on these are just ridiculous. I'm a huge fan of that suede. Yeah, man, super long hair. Not necessarily the biggest fan of the color. That's kind of why I skipped these. Do like 4s. Not a fan of that color, and then I'm not a fan of that greenish shoe right there. But I'm a fan of the material though, man, big time. Got some 5s right here. Got these half and half pandas, kind of look kind of weird. But yeah. Check out the women's section, 30% off the clearance section as well. So we gotta check. Air Max 90s. This is a pretty dope colorway, dude. I really like this desert camo design. I just love that desert camo. Fire as hell. Air Max 90s. To be able to get them for 30% off too. You know what I'm saying? $140, 30% off. Not bad. I think that's my size too. 10.5. Oh, okay. It's a size 12 women's, 10.5 men's. So bad. Shadow right here. Size 12. Another one of these. 11.5. Size 10 women's. 165 for the Air Max 2017. Infinity Run React Flyknits. These are the 3s, right? Nike by You. Down to 150 to get an extra 30 off. Invincible Run React Flyknit. Going for $110. What are these slides right here? What the hell is this? Is this an Air Force One slide? Oh my god, that is just awful. Hilarious, but awful looking. Never seen these before. So it's just the Air Force One midsole, and then the toe box, and then just the slide. Holy crap, man. That's funny. $30. Normally $110. Holy crap. Has 9.5 Alpha Fly Next percent. It's going for $2. Size 9 Air Max 97s. Pink hue, that's kind of cool. Go for $175. Air Max 90s right here, size 9. SE. Oh, okay, we have seen this one. Yeah, I've seen this one. Okay, like an interesting knit on the toe box right there. What's that? $140 for those. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. Go for $150. Curious to see if the Zoom X is cushiony, because it looks like that recycled Zoom X or something. Alright, size 9, $150. Size 8, you need some cycling shoes. Get some of these Super Rev Cycles going for $40. Infinity Run, oh, the Invincible Run Flyknits. Damn, $180. Size 8. Super Rev 3s going for $100. Pegasus 38s going for $90. Shout out to the homie Ruben. Funny because he happened to be at the Nike Outlet. That's the one that I just went to right before this. So that was funny. We were talking about what the... All right, let's check out, see what's going on in the aisles over here. Jordan Nola slide. Doesn't say it on the display, but $20 right here. These also show 30, but these go for 20 as well. Benassi slides. The Burrow slide, the Joe Burrow slides with the extra pocket right here, going for 35. Air Max 2017s are here. Air Force One Sculpts. Greater Impacts. Got some Vapor Max right here. Couple colorways. Okay. Got some Air Max 97s. Another one of those. Air Max 90s. Pegasus Trail 2s. Damn, these are hella cheap. Hella cheap. Wow. To size 11.5. Another one of those. Phantom React Flyknits with no laces. And then Pegasus 38s and 37. That's pretty much about it. Do got some Lakers merch here. Do got these Laker jackets. This is a fleece jacket. Kind of looks like the ones that the refs wear. Obviously not Lakers, but the black and white ones or whatever color they wear. $90 for these. Got plenty of sizes. Says Nike Laker basketball on the back. I got the MLPS shirts right here. Go for $40. Retail though, man. Damn. The Los Lakers shirts, are these all full retail? Oh, okay, $25, normally $35 for these. $35 for this one, full retail. Got the warm-up jackets, going for $100, normally $140. Is this? Oh, this comes for the set. This is for the set. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. 100 for the pants, and I think this is the pants and the thing because it's all connected right there, or maybe not. Yeah. That's dope. $100 for both. That's not too bad. Yeah, it says set right there. I'm stupid. That's not bad, I guess. $100 for the top and the bottom. I never wear matching tops and bottom though. Like if it's a different color maybe or something. Lakers long sleeve shirt. Go for 45. I'm all about Lakers gear. I just don't like to pay full price for it. I'm wearing Lakers stuff right now. Let's see. What is it? What's this go for? 45. Yeah, all full retail, man. All right, I am kind of looking for a hoodie. $30 off. The clearance section right here. They got a Davis. That's the Mamba, the black jersey. $110. Get 30 off. That's an XL. Kind of looking for hoodies. A hoodie. Now that it's cold, hoodies definitely not on sale anymore. Dang it. Have to buy off season. Gosh dang it. I wish I bought one more. Dang it. I need to buy one for a kid now. Let's see. Size large. No price tag on that. That's a pretty dope shirt. Speaking of off season, does that mean all the shorts and stuff? No, it doesn't. This is a really nice material short. $70. $70, man. It's not even on sale. Guess you get the 30 off. That's about it. Size medium. Dang, just not really seeing much, dude. Not seeing much. Backpacks not on sale either. It says 30% off. Just apparel. Dang, guess not. Not really getting anything, dude. All right. Before we head out, let's take a look at what I'm wearing. Black Cat Jordan 13s. These do have the 3M on it, which I freaking love. Man, such a fire those. Such a fan of that. And then wearing a Lakers hoodie. Got it for $30. Lakers pants, the pro player pants, the pro standard. These are the pro standard pants. Got these for what, 20 bucks, something like that. Damn, that was cheap as hell in this outfit, huh? But still got all my Lakers gear for hella cheap. Like probably like 70% of MSRP. All right, let's head out, dude. Let's head out. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. That is the Nike Outlet at Tejon. Nike Outlet Bakersfield, that's what I call it. But yeah, hope you guys are following me on Instagram because I just posted everything or all the dope things that they had there. I posted both of the heat walls. I also posted the Union Cortezes. So yeah, if you guys want to know ASAP what's at each of the outlets, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And that's pretty much about it, dude. Like, there's really not much to talk about. The heat wall, not always a dope thing. The heat wall was dope, like, when things were, like, almost impossible to find. But now that things are readily available and things are regularly on sale, like, the heat wall is just kind of something that makes it tough, you know, because they're not, things aren't on sale. You know, sometimes they'll throw stuff on sale, sometimes they won't. If things are just thrown up on the wall, you know, most of the times those are on sale. So that's kind of where we get the best deals. So the heat wall, you know, on occasion is dope, but when things are readily available, when things are always on sale, heat wall is just not a good thing. It doesn't really help. You know, it sounds dope, but it doesn't really help. But it is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, you guys. You know, kind of a typical Nike Outlet visit. Found some dope stuff. You know, found the Union Cortez. That was pretty dope. To be able to get those for 30% off, under 100 bucks, that's pretty fire. But yeah, follow me on Instagram if you guys need to know what's at the outlet as soon as possible. And stay tuned, because I got plenty of videos coming, you guys. Plenty of videos coming. Always try to get videos for every day. So we're going to continue that. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. That's how you know when each video comes out. Try to get you guys a video every day. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Got some LeBron 9 lows. Jumbo low 77s. If you're new, make sure you go ahead, press that subscribe button, click on that if you're new, press that subscribe button, click on that channel. We got click on